Alright guys, today I'm going to show off with my beautiful toys. First I'll have all of them, my toy collection and everything. Alright. Alright. Drum roll please. Meet this action figure. He waves to you. Because he's a very fit young man. He fights. He's Dwayne The Rock Johnson. And best of all, he's best pal, John Cena! You can see I'm gonna have a whole figure collection. He has tons of muscles. And he doesn't wear a shirt because he wears pants and a belt. He karate chops like this. He swarms from the galaxy of the evil Emperor Zurg. Emperor Knights. It's my figure. And this, I don't know what this figure is. Is this figure the coolest toy ever? Look, he can kick. Oh, and karate chop. He swarms from the Emperor Galaxy of the Emperor Zurg. And Mike Wazowski.
You and me, buddy. What a team!
He's green and he has a Monsters Incorporated hard hat. Because he's not a bit of a scarer, but he's just a green apple thingy.
That's right, everyone. It's me, Mike Wazowski!
Yep, that's you. Kind of annoying when I press the button. Thanks for watching, guys. 3 videos coming soon.